To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.
Zap, zap, zap. Oh, hi. I was pretending I have magical powers and I was zapping things. You like to play pretend too? If you had one magical power, what would it be? What? That is a crazy, crazy magical power. All right, today we're going to go to the zoo. What's at the zoo? Did you say a zebra? Really? Okay, well at the zoo, we're gonna find a zebra. But before we go to the zoo, you know what we need to do. Sound monster, where are you? There you are, sound monster. What have you been up to? Oh, not much, just hanging out at the zoo and talking to a zebra. Really? That's what we were going to find. What did the zebra say? The zebra said that we have to read a story to unlock the next letter. And every time we hear the Z sound, we have to gallop like a zebra. Okay, I think we can do that. Do you remember your job? You have to gallop like a zebra every time you hear the Z sound. Ready? Zeke the zebra zoomed zigzag through a zoo, zipping past zealous zookeepers and zany zebras alike. Did you gallop a lot? I found our zebra. He has the letter Z. What's this letter's name? Z. The name of this letter is Z. What's its name? Z. Now Z says Z. Can you say Z? It almost tickles my tongue a little bit. Z. Now let's see, what are our lips doing? Z. They're just kind of lazy, but they're not touching. Z. My teeth are kind of touching. Z. My tongue is kind of touching the top of my mouth, and it's hitting the bottom of my, or the back of my bottom teeth. Zzz, zzz. My voice box, let's feel it. Zzz. It's vibrating. That means it's a voice sound. I wonder if this one can go on forever. Zzz. It can. It goes on forever. Let's learn my action. Ready? It goes like this. Z, zebra, zzz. Like I'm galloping like a horse or a zebra. A zebra and a horse look very similar. All right, ready? Z, zebra, zzz. Can you do it by yourself? You did it. Let's do it together. Z, zebra, zzz.
Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, A, apple, A. T, table, T. S, snake, S. P, pig, N, nut, N. I, itch, I. C, cat, K. F, fence, D, dog, D. H, hat, O, octopus, ah. R, rat, B, bat, b. L, lamp, ol. K, kite, k. E, ed, e. G, game, g, g, g. W, wind, w, w, w. V, van, v, v, v. U, up, J, jam, j, j, j. Q, U, queen, qu, qu, qu. Y, yellow, y, y, y. Z, zebra, z, z, z.
This is an uppercase Z. What's this letter? Uppercase Z. This is an uppercase Z. What's this letter? Uppercase Z. What's this letter? You're really good with patterns. Did you say lowercase z? You are right. This is lowercase z. What's this letter? Lowercase z. Uppercase Z, 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 z. Lowercase 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 z, z. Do you guys remember my song for writing our letters? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. We're going to write with uppercase Z and lowercase z. Uppercase Z is going to start at the skyline. You got it. Start at the skyline. Go across the skyline, down to the grass line, and across on the grass line. Let's do it one more time. Start at the skyline, go across the skyline, down to the grass line, and across on the grass line. Let's do lowercase z. He looks just like uppercase Z, but he's a short bear. That means he's gonna start on the mountain line. Start on the mountain line, go across the mountain line, down to the grass line, and across on the grass line. Let's do it one more time. Lowercase z starts at the mountain line, across the mountain line, down to the grass line, and across the grass line. I'm going to tell you a word and I want you to tell me the sounds. Can you say zap? Tap your sounds. Did you say zap? Say zip. Tap your sounds. Did you say zip? Now I'm going to tell you the sounds and I want you to tell me the word. Z-a-g. Did you say zug? That's a silly word. Z-a-b. Did you say zub? You have learned all about the letter Z. Can you do this page on your own? We just finished talking about the letter Z. If you have done the page on your own or with an adult and you are ready to move on, you can color the letter Z on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.